Okay, so hello everyone, and how are you today so far? Great job, right? So today we are going to study our section, which is going to be continuous section from yesterday's section as well. And however, today we are going to study in two sections. As the first section will be talking about grammar class history, and the second section will be talking about hangout things, right? Okay, so in the first session today, we are going to talk about grammar class history. And everyone, before you move on with the book, I would like to get your attention that you are going to pay attention to the review part. Will be review to our view about what is going to be learned, okay, by today. So by yesterday, sorry. Okay, so yesterday we have learned about modal verbs. Okay, three modal verbs. That is talking about can, may, and should. So in this model, we are having the different usings about this one, but one is talking about can and may, and especially how to explain you that what is can talking about, right? So can talking about ability and permission, and may talking about permission, and should talking about advice and necessity. So in this case, I believe that everyone will be recognized well about this one in order to be comparing between can and may. Because of what? Because of can and may having the same meaning, or one definition is the same, okay, the same definition as well. So that's why I have to compare to all of you that when do you can, then when do we use may. Okay, so however, let's move to our next point that we are going to start our section today, that we are going to talk about two more modal verbs. So the two more modal verbs that we are going to talk today is talking about must and have to. In this lesson, it also having you a short script, okay? That is the script talking about must and have to. So must and have to are used to talk about necessity. They are stronger meanings than should. Have to is more common and less formal than must. These two modal verbs have different meanings in their negative forms, okay? So it means that in positive form, it quite not far different meaning from each other. Okay, it is going to be the meaning they should supposed to use in positive sentence. However, the one thing that is going to be different is negative sentence. So negative statement will be focusing about the statement that is going to be wrong meaning or wrong, okay, action when we want to use must and have to. Okay, right. So in here we have must and have to, we have meaning and also have form, and also in here is called meaning, right? So in meaning it is must talking about obligation and have to talking about necessity. However, in obligation of must in positive or in affirmative is that you must wear your glasses, okay? And in have to, you have to wear your glasses, okay? So in these two sentences, it is talking about, it is not far different meaning. However, in the obligations, if you talk about must, it means at the obligation here, you must, okay? You must do this activity. You are not allowed to not doing this activity, okay? But in you have to, it means that there is a necessity that you want to wear, that is necessity for you to do it or not, okay? However, it is the one part is necessity, but if you talk about the obligation here must, it means that it is the really or personal necessity that you have to do it, okay? But in here it is talking about the necessity that it is going to protect your eye. So that's why you have to, you talk about necessity that it is, I mean, able to do by yourself, okay? Right. And in negative, you mustn't wear your glasses. So in here it focuses that you cannot wear them. It is not allowed, okay? But you don't have to wear your glasses. You can wear them. Okay, so in here we can say that if you use must in negative statement, it means that you are not allowed to do that one. Okay, if you do it, you will wrong. Okay, so that's why we use must. It is a strong, okay, a strong obligation or a strong necessity that you are not allowed to do it. Okay. However, when you use about have to, you don't have to wear your glasses. It means you can wear them. So it depending on your eye that it has a problem or not. Okay. So if it has a problem, you have to wear it. Is it? So that's why in here it means that you want to do or not. It depends on you yourself. Okay. However, in questions, it means that not common. So not common, it means that must, rarely, or never used in negative or in question statement. Okay. However, in have to, it is a must that has to use, right? Do I have to wear glasses? So this is, I mean that in have to, we are want to use in question form. Okay. All right. So however, it is necessity the same, right? Have to and should, it also talk about necessity. In this case, remember that if you talk about should, it is necessity, but it is an opinion. an idea that you want to give an advice with the necessity advice to the other people, to someone else. But in here, it is talking about necessity, but this necessity is an obligation that you have to do everything there. Okay, likely you should try to study hard. So it is necessity that I give you the advice, right? But I said to you that you have to study hard, and in the necessity, but focus on your obligation. So this is the way of the difference between have to and should that is talking about necessity. So should, necessity, but focus about the advice. Okay, have to, necessity, but focus about the obligation. Everything that you have to do by your own in order to get success in everything, right? Okay, so everyone, right now, have you got any questions? If you have a question, you can raise up your question. But if you don't have a question, I would like to say that GUI bought time break time. Okay, right. So everyone, right now, you can enjoy break time.